There are many things to consider when you're thinking about doing your own bookkeeping for your business. The main things to consider are your knowledge and your interest in bookkeeping. If you've been debating about whether you should do your own bookkeeping for your business or to outsource it to someone else, right now is the time that you need to make a decision and begin moving forward. In today's podcast episode, I'll help you decide if doing your own bookkeeping is in the best interest of your business. I see so many business owners who are in the decision-making stages for months while their bookkeeping sits patiently waiting for them, only to make their bookkeeping a more significant project than it needs to be. Maintaining and keeping an accurate bookkeeping system will be crucial to your business's success. It doesn't matter if you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. You need to make a decision about who is going to be managing the books for your business and take the time to follow through with your decision. Listen in as I walk through the major points that you should consider if you're going to do your own bookkeeping. This is a big decision, and it could be an expensive mistake if you don't have the ability to generate accurate and timely financial reports that you can rely on. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. Maintaining the bookkeeping system for your business is an essential task that needs to be completed so that you have reliable and timely financial information to make smart business decisions for your business. You also need this information so that you can have your tax return prepared on time and accurately as well. If you're thinking about doing your own bookkeeping for your business, or if you're already doing your bookkeeping, but you find yourself wondering if you are the best person to be doing the bookkeeping, I'm going to walk you through some of the main points to consider when making this important decision for your business. I've already mentioned that there are two pretty important factors to consider when you're doing your own bookkeeping. You need to have enough knowledge to understand bookkeeping, and you also need to have an interest in doing the bookkeeping for your business. If you don't have enough knowledge about how to do your own bookkeeping, you can easily learn more about this by taking classes, but if you don't have any interest in doing the bookkeeping for your business, you'll more than likely find yourself getting bored with it, procrastinating on the work that needs to be done, and you'll probably find your bookkeeping project piling up and turning into a pretty big and stressful project that you need to tackle. If you decide you already have the knowledge and are genuinely interested in doing your own bookkeeping, you'd then want to take it one step further and consider these two additional items. The first would be time. We all know that as business owners, you get to wear many hats. These hats not only allow you to work in your business, but also on your business. When this happens, you might be finding your time starts to get limited in your business. If you're a solopreneur or a person who's setting up and running your business on your own, you might find that as you get your business up and running, you have a limited budget, but you have the time to devote to doing your own bookkeeping. Since you may have fewer transactions at the start of your business and you have the time that you need to properly do your bookkeeping, this may be a good option for you. This might change as your business grows, though, and you find that each of the hats that you're wearing is taking up more and more time. If this is the case, you want to make sure that if you're going to do your own bookkeeping, you make it a priority to have everything accounted for and reconciled at least once a month. When you get to the point in your business and you feel that your time is getting more and more valuable and you have a harder time getting everything done, you need to make a decision as to whether you should be doing your own bookkeeping or not. I want you to think about how much your time is worth as well as how much time you're spending on doing your bookkeeping. You can easily compare this amount to how much it would cost you to outsource your bookkeeping. Finding out where your time is best spent so that you can get the highest return will ultimately help you make the decision as to whether you should do your own bookkeeping or not. Next, I want you to think about your ability to generate the accurate and timely reports that you'll need to rely on in your business. Doing your own bookkeeping will help you have a clear picture of what's happening in your business, and you'll be more connected to your business finances. But you'll also need to make sure that your bookkeeping information is accurate. You can do this by utilizing a computerized bookkeeping software system and having systems and processes in place so that you know your day-to-day transactions are recorded properly, as well as reconciling to not only reduce errors, but also to ensure you have all of your transactions accounted for and you don't miss any tax deductions. Understanding which reports you should review on a monthly basis so that you know where your money is going, how the business is doing, and which documents or reports you need so that you can file your tax returns when necessary are all important to the success of your business and will help you make informed business decisions. Take some time to weigh your options, make a decision, and start moving forward with your next steps. Your bookkeeping and your business finances are important, and you want to make sure that you're doing everything that you can to ensure the success of your business. Thinking about doing your bookkeeping is not getting your bookkeeping done. If you make the decision to do your own bookkeeping, you know you're capable of doing it, and you believe you have the knowledge and interest, jump right into organizing and creating the processes to do your bookkeeping daily, weekly, or at the very least on a monthly basis. And remember, You don't have to make this decision and stick with it for the duration of your business. You could always outsource your bookkeeping at any point in time or hire an in-house bookkeeper when you feel that it would make the most sense. Your main goal right now is to ensure that you have accurate and timely financial information so that you can make those smart business decisions. If you need help making this decision, I want you to know that I'm here to help. Imagine having a system in place where you spend less time buried in paperwork and more time doing what you love. That's where I help my clients. They're able to have proper processes in place, understand why they're following through with these processes, and they have more peace of mind when it comes to their business. Striking a balance between the demands of running a business and maintaining a fulfilling personal life is an art. It's about creating an environment where you can thrive and support the lifestyle you want. By being proactive and setting up efficient processes, you can ensure a smoother, more enjoyable year-end, and you'll be prepared to file any necessary filings with the IRS. By working with me, you'll change more than just your bookkeeping processes. Like many of the clients I've worked with, you'll go from not knowing how to get through all the stressful situations or being unprepared to being totally in control of exactly what you're choosing to get done at the time you want to have it accomplished by, all while knowing you're doing enough and you're able to enjoy your business and your personal life. I help clients just like you with strategy, mentorship, and coaching. When you work with me, you'll show up much more differently than you do today. And after all, this is ultimately what you want in your life, right? You can be stress-free in both your professional and your personal life. Come and join me. When I work with clients throughout the year, they're able to reduce their stress and overwhelm, understand how to master their small business finances, develop solutions to grow their bottom line, and create a work-life balance that they truly enjoy. I encourage you to take the next step by signing up for a free consultation where I'm going to teach you the first step in my process so that you can eliminate stress, overwhelm, or overworking in your professional or your personal life, while you continue to get done what matters so that you can live your life with joy, purpose, and a more fulfilled life. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have. I'd love to help you on this journey. You can schedule your free consultation or sign up for a coaching session today at financialadventure.com. As a certified public accountant and certified life coach, I can help you set goals and develop a plan that will allow you to lead a happier and more sustainable life in your business, your career, or your personal life. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business, as well as help you focus on the strategies that you need to follow to reach the success that you want to achieve in your professional or personal life, and stay committed so that you can continue to keep pushing forward and relieve the stress, anxiety, and overwhelm that you're currently feeling. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your life, which enables you to go back to enjoying your professional and your personal life. I work with business owners, accountants, and other financial professionals to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals, while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for these programs due to the one-on-one aspect, and they do sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the programs when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I know there's something that you want in your life, and I can help you get it. The faster that you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities that are available to you. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself why you need this program in your life right now. Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career, and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or your career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.